I am coconuts, 14.6% ABV, red chili and Kaffir lime leaf infused white rum, lime juice, apple juice, and coconut syrup. Hi, I'm Michael Chen, award-winning mixologist and creator of the LAIBA Cocktails. Here's how we serve at I Am Coconuts. I like serving this cocktail in a coupette. First, add a nice piece of ice. You'll want to make sure you shake up the cocktail really well. We recommend storing it at room temperature or pre-chilled in the fridge. Pour it over the ice. I always like to give it a couple of stirs just to help it get a little bit cooler and release a little bit dilution. If you have fresh chilies or lime leaves at home, I really recommend garnishing it this way, or a lime leaf or a dried chili is also sufficient. The I Am Coconuts.